हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्ते। कैसे हो? तो इस क्लास में हमने 12th क्लास फिजिक्स का इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक चैप्टर हमने ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट किया है। उसमें हम कूलम्ब्स लॉ कंप्लीट किया और सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल भी हमने कंप्लीट किया है। अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, तो सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल में हम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं, वो बेस्ड ऑन सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल। तो दिस इज द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, सिक्स्थ न्यूमेरिकल वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व हियर. So question is, I am reading here on board. I written to save the time. Okay, already I wrote on the board. So question is here: the four equal point charges, each uh, each 16 microcoulomb, are placed on corners of the square of side uh, 0.2 meter. Calculate the force on any of the charges. So it means what? Here four charges are given. They are placed. So I'll draw here. First of all, data you write. What are the data is given in examination? You should do in theory paper. Okay, in theory paper detail you should solve. Okay, given is what? Given data given is what? Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q3 equal to Q4 equal to how much value is there? 16 microcoulomb. Micro means what? 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, and these four charges are placed on the corner of the square. Okay, on each corner one charge placed it, and its side is what? I'll draw here. That is that square I show here. This is A point you take, this is B point, other. Okay, and this one is C point, and this one is D point. Okay, so join these two also. So this is a square whose side is 0.2 meter, 0.2 meter, and 0.2 meter, and this also 0.2 meter. And from this to if you select this charge on which we are going to find the total force here, total force due to remaining three charges. So first force due to this Q1, I am writing here. This is Q1, and this one is Q2, and this I am taking here Q3, and this one is Q4, and this corner name is corner denoting by D. Okay, D. Okay, so to apply the Coulomb's law, some terms are compulsory. That among those terms are charges already given, but distance also very important. In between these two also, if you select this charge on which we are going to find the net force due to remaining three, so here distance between this is what? Distance between this one is this afterwards we can do. Okay, when we are solving this one. So now what to do here? We are finding the force on this point due to this B point. Say both are positive, therefore it is a repulsive force is there. It is repulsive force. This I am taking here F1. Okay, F1 is what? Force on A due to B. And and force, instead of this one you take this one, because first we find these two forces, means here we are applying some vector concept. That's why you find the force due to this D on A. That force I am taking here. This is also repulsive because both are positive. This I am taking here F2. Okay, F2. See, these two are perpendicular. First you find these two. Okay, then now write here force F1 on charge Q1 at A due to what? Due to Q2, where it is at B, Q2. So according to Coulomb's law, F equal to, Coulomb's law formula is what? F1 equal to that constant value, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is Q1 and Q2, and divided by distance square. Distance is what? AB square. AB square. AB, or you can take, or BA you take. Direction, according to direction, BA square. Now put their values here. That value we will get here. That is constant value is what? 9 into 10 to the power 9. And both the charges are equal. Therefore, I am taking square. Otherwise, you write 16 into 10 to the power minus 6. One more is also 16 into 10 to the power minus 6, because micro value is what? 10 to the power minus 6. And the distance is what? Distance is 0.2 square. Distance is 0.2 square. Now, that constant term, that is a whole number you write on set. 9 and 16 and one more 16. Okay, one more 16 is over. And now write 10 to the power. 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6. And below, square of the 0.2 is what? 0.04. 0.04. Okay, 0.04. Okay, one more step we can write here. And here, write here 9 into 16 into 16 into 10 to the power, this one, how much it is? Minus 1. Minus 1. And if you take this 4 by removing this digit, that is a decimal point, that is equal to what? 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2. I am continuing here. That is F equal to, now you can cancel this one. 4 1 ja 4 4 ja 4 1 ja 4 4 ja. Okay, that is equal to what? 9 into 16 into 16 into 4 into 10 to the power. Here minus 2 is there. If you take it up, it becomes what? Plus. Okay, plus it is. Just wait a bit. Here minus, this is 12. Means this is minus 1. Sorry, minus 3. So minus 3, if you take minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 in numerator, it becomes plus. And here 10 to the power minus 1 will be there. Okay, minus 1. Now we multiply these two. What are the terms are we are getting here? That is, I am multiplying here. Otherwise, you can take help of the calculator, because simple calculators are allowed in examination. That is 9 into 16 into 4 equal to, that is what? 576, means 576 into 10 to the power minus 1. If you remove that 10 to the power minus 1, one digit decimal point jumps towards the left side, one digit. That is 57.6. Unit is what? Newton. That is F1 value. That is what? F1 value. Okay. Okay. Now F2 also same thing is there, because same steps we should follow. Directly I am writing its value same. Okay. And force F2 on Q1 due to Q4, that is equal to what? F2 equal to, also we are getting same 57.6 Newton. Okay, no need to do further, because directly same procedure we have to follow it. Directly write it. Then now right here F1, right here, since you write since F1 perpendicular to F2, F1 perpendicular to F2 or F2 perpendicular to F2. Therefore, resultant of F1 and F2, that is F equal to apply here parallelogram law, that is F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. Theta is what? Angle between these two forces, theta. Here theta is what? Theta is 90 degree. Theta is 90. Therefore F equal to what? F equal to, right here their values, that is 57.6 square and plus 57.6 square plus here if you take theta 90, this becomes 0, therefore no need to write here. Okay, no need to write it here. Now by simplifying this one, if you add these two, it becomes 2 of this term, and if you take outside only, that is 57.6 comes outside and root 3 will be inside. So this is what? This is a resultant force of F1 and F2. Okay, this is F. It is what? It is F. Now force on A due to C also along same direction. Okay, along same direction of what? This is F. Therefore further its magnitude increases. That I am taking here F dash. And here by applying right angle formula, that right angle triangle formula, that is Pythagoras, this side will be, this hypotenuse will be square of this one plus square of this one. Okay, 0.2 square plus 0.2 square. Okay, 0.2 square. Now what to do here? Both are same. Am I writing? Okay, write it. So now write it here. Force, right here. Now force that I am taking here F dash on Q1 due to Q3. Okay, Q3, that is I am taking here F dash. F dash equal to same 9 into 10 to the power 9, and here same thing it is, that is 16 into 10 to the power minus 6. One more also same, 16 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, minus 6 divided by that square. Okay, so I am writing here square, that is 2 times of 0.2. Already one square is there, one more square you will take it, square of that one. Oh, square only, that is okay, no need to write here, because according to Pythagoras rule, square only, that value is this one. Okay, now if you take here this 2 here, 1 by 2, and remaining will be the same, that is value we are getting 57.6 Newton. 57.6, that is value of F dash, that is half of 57.6 Newton. Okay, now when two forces are acting along the same direction, net force will be sum of those two forces. Okay, according to superposition principle. Therefore net force F, here you write net, equal to F plus F dash, F plus F dash. Okay, that is equal to what? F is what here? F is this one. That is root 2 into 57.6 plus half into 57.6, that is F dash value. Okay beta, now what to do here? 57 point, take outside 57.6, in bracket it will be root 2 plus 1 by root 2, root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now 57.6, the square root of 2 is what? 1.4 plus this one is what? Half. 57.6, in bracket it will be 1.9, 1.9 beta. What is this? It is 1.9. If you find that multiplication, that is 57.6 into 1.9 equal to how much it is? That is equal to 109.4 Newton. Okay, so this is what? This is a net force. Net force on Q1. Net force on Q1. Okay, this is the answer. Clear? Okay, whatever things are, you do it clearly. Okay, don't skip steps. Same steps don't do repeatedly. You can skip there, but whenever same, if you are repeating means that will take time.